friends, and welcome to Miss Gilbert's Lockdown Learning. Now, we're very lucky in South Australia because we're actually back in the classroom, and I have a very exciting lesson for you for tomorrow. As you know, we're starting our journey into learning about instructional writing, and we've had lots of fun making some wombat stew and making fairy bread, and tomorrow we're going to be making some jelly. So I'm going to show you how to do it today. Some things that we need include some boiling water, which I'm going to help with tomorrow. And if you're making this at home, make sure you get mum and dad to help you. You don't want to be touching that boiling water, way too hot. Some cold water, which you can use, some measuring jugs, a mixing bowl, some mixing spoons, and I'm pouring the jelly tomorrow into some little plastic cups so we can write your names on them and you can take them home at the end of the day. We're very lucky because Miss Heber has gotten this halal jelly for us for tomorrow, which is really good. So I'm going to be making some today. Let's get going. Now, with instructional writing, you know you have to be very bossy and use all of your bossy verbs. So it might sound like we're being a bit of a meanie pants, but you have to be bossy to tell the person exactly what to do. So first, get your jelly crystals. Open the packet and pour the packet of jelly crystals into your mixing bowl. Easy. Now, you want to be getting mum and dad to help you with the hot water first. Mils of boiling water. Now I've just boiled that kettle so it's nice and hot, and I'm going to pour it into the measuring jug, 200 milliliters. I'm then going to pour that into the mixing bowl. Wow, look at that. It's already dissolving some of the crystals. Smells yummy. And I'm going to give that a little mix. And leave that spoon. Now you want to be mixing until you can't really see any of those solid crystals. You want it to turn into a liquid. And dissolve all of them. Oh, that's looking good. Then I'm going to measure out the same amount of cold water, 200 mils of cold water. I'm going to pour that into the other measuring jug. Beautiful. Pour that into the mixing bowl. I'm being very bossy with my bossy verbs. And stir the mixture. Now when you're mixing, it feels a bit thicker than water because it's got some gelatin in it, which makes the jelly set. Wibbly wobbly jelly. That is looking really well mixed. So I'm going to put the spoon to the side and then get a ladle and your cup or your jelly mold. And I'm going to scoop and pour the jelly into the cup. About halfway. You don't need too much jelly. Okay, so I've poured the jelly mixture into the jelly cups and now I want them to set, so I have to put them in the fridge to cool them down and then they'll be ready to enjoy. Delicious. Now that we've put the jelly cups in the fridge, we have to wait for 2 hours for them to set. Well, we've been very patient and have waited about 2 hours, so let's see if our jelly is set. Come with me. Oh, they look good. Wow, they've turned it into a solid. Shall we try it? Oh, wibbly wobbly jelly. Delicious.
Get out of my office!